did it. Well, I didn't do it. He did it. If you want to know what I'm talking about, keep watching. Well, hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I am Cheraye. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated and thank you so much. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 2 fragrances that have been long awaited, that have found themselves being added to my collection, okay? One of them I have talked about on the channel. Okay, both of them I've been talking about on the channel, okay? But one of them I have been talking about on the channel time and time again. I just could not bring myself to purchase this fragrance, and I still couldn't bring myself to purchase this fragrance, okay? My guy picked it up for me for Valentine's Day. He was like, I am so sick of coming to the perfume counters with you and you smelling that same fragrance every single time. The whole way there, you guys, I talked myself, okay, I'm gonna get it. I really want it. Yeah, today's gonna be the day, blah, blah, blah. Get there and I'm like, no, I don't really need it. I already have this. I already have that. No, I don't really need it. So he's like, I'm over it. I'm so sick and tired of you talking about this fragrance the whole way there, and then when we get there, you completely talk yourself out of it. I'm gifting this to you for Valentine's Day. I don't want to stop at this counter anymore. You're done. Move on. So, what is it? If you think you know what it is, you probably do if you watch the channel. If you think you know what it is, leave it in the comment section below. Some of you were like, girl, you gotta get this fragrance. You definitely need it. You guys, I blame this again on you, okay? But I could say that I didn't get it. It was gifted to me. Of course, it comes in the brown bag because I got it at Bloomingdale's. I absolutely love Bloomingdale's. Gosh, I can't even stop smiling. And you say you didn't want it. I know, I know. Anyways, you guys, this is what it is. I picked it up from the Perfumes Damali counter, or not really counter, I guess it's the perfume counter that sells Perfumes Damali, but this is what it is. You guys, you should see how beautifully, okay, they gifted this. This is an unboxing that we are doing together, but I just want to show you the presentation and the levels that they go through when I shop with them, and that is why I am loyal and I go back to the same store and the same people over and over again, because when I am spending money or doing business, I need you to treat me and make me feel a certain type of way, and they always deliver at Bloomingdale's. So I showed you the box, right? It has a nice logo on it from Perfumes Damali. I'm totally keeping this box in my closet, you guys. I gotta find somewhere to put it. Look at this. Stacked, okay? This is the box here, you guys. There's so many amazing samples in here. So many different things. Of course, you know, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to unbox this on my YouTube channel. I definitely want to share it with them. So you guys, I just want you to see how beautiful the presentation of the box is. Everything that's in there. There's a little sample in there from the Chloe. There's different stuff in here from Tiffany's, another atomizer. And then here is the fragrance itself. My lights are so bright. And finally, oh my gosh, here it is. Perfumes Damali Delita. Oh my god, I still can't believe it. But I didn't do it. It was gifted to me. My guy was like, you have got to have this fragrance because I'm tired of you talking about it. So here it is. I guess when something is on your mind, you guys, and you want something, just do it. It's a really nice box. It says Perfume Damali's on there, or Perfume Damali. It's a 75 ml, 2.5 fluid ounces. This is just it, and I cannot believe I have this. I'm still just looking at it like, for real. Like, it took me forever to open it, you guys. I waited for you guys to open it. So presentation a little bit comes off like this, and then you have the beautiful, famous pink, beautiful box that just says Royal Essence down at the bottom. It's a gorgeous bottle. This is perfect if you're getting married. Oh my god, I didn't even have to spray it and I can still smell it, but why not? Look at that. Sprayer's good, atomizer's good. Oh god, it's just it's really good. Oh my gosh, it just smells so pretty. Now, I'm not a new person to Perfumes Damali. I did a whole video on them months ago. It's probably even last year sometime. I ordered or received a discovery package from them with the men's fragrance line as well as the women, unisex as well. And they have some amazing, beautiful, beautiful fragrances. And I really did like a lot of them. But Delina is more for me. It's pretty, it's fresh. I was wearing this in the fall. I wore this in the winter. Not this particular one. I had samples. So I wore this in cold weather. I've worn it in warmer weather, and either way it goes, it performs well. The one thing that I really like about this fragrance is the fragrance trail that it leaves, how it lingers, how it goes into a room, it fills the room when you walk in a room or out of a room. It's kind of sexy, but more than sexy, I get very romantic, very flirtatious, very girly. I get a very feminine, pretty, just, you know, upbeat, vibrant, sparkling type of personality, type woman, type girl. That's what I get from this fragrance, and it's just super, super good, you guys. Some of the top notes, because you know I have the notes here with me. Some of the top notes are, it's a rose fragrance, I would say too. It's got vanilla, it's got musk, it's got bergamot, it's got lychee, it's got rhubarb, nutmeg. It's just a beautiful fragrance. It is all around the world. Just beautiful. I knew I was going to add this. I wasn't going to add it. You know, I kept telling myself it was one of those, no, I don't want it. Yes, I do want it. No, I don't want it. Yes, oh my God, it smells so good. So I really do like it. I'm happy to have added this to my collection. I mean, what could we say more about the bottle? We've seen this bottle countless times. In case you haven't, it is a beautiful bottle. It has the nice engravement all around the bottle cap, going around with the symbol of Perfumes Damali. So it's beautiful. It has a nice little, what would you call this? Almost like a birthstone at the tip top of it. I'm gonna look at it. I'll probably come back with a full in-depth detailed review on it, you guys. This was just an unboxing, but it's simply gorgeous. Thank you everyone who was like, girl, you need it, get it. I wanted it, but my guy is the one that just pushed me over. He was like, you guys, he was so adamant. He was like, I am so sick of you looking at this fragrance, girl, just get it. And I was like, I really don't want it. And he was like, no, you do. And he was like, yeah, I'm getting this for you for Valentine's Day. And he just got it. So shout out to you. Thank you. Anyways, you guys, and then another one. Oh my God. Now this one I gifted to myself. If you watch, oh my God, should I leave it this dark? I don't know. Hopefully this is making me look okay. I look kind of orange like Oompa Loompa. You guys, I am trying to play with the lighting, okay? Just give me 2.5 seconds to tell you guys this story, because I don't know, I just feel like you guys are my friends, and I already told you about you being friends in my head, so you tell your friends what's going on behind the scenes. So behind the scenes, you guys, I had all my lighting set up in the other room, and then the sun played me. It went down, it started shifting and moving. Then I had this one eyelash that was stuck in my eyes, okay, and I had to take off. I was trying to just take off. Let me just tell you for a minute what I've been through today. I was trying to just take off the eyelash, to just to just take off the eyelashes, right? And then all of a sudden, the eyelash remover got all up on the lid. So then it messed up the whole makeup look that I had going on. So I had to remove all the eyelash makeup, or I can't even talk. All the eyeshadow makeup I had to remove, which made half my face come off. So I have one half of makeup on this side up here, and then another half down there. You guys, it's just been a day. Okay, it's been a real day. I'm not mad, you know, I'm just letting you know what's going on. So in case you're like, girl, you're kind of frazzled today. Guys, this is what's going on today, okay? So I had to come back, put these lashes on. I worked out this morning, so you know, my hair is doing whatever it's doing. I haven't even had a chance to use a dry shampoo yet. Whatever. Okay, girl, can you just get to the next fragrance, please? You guys, okay. Now this one, if you watched last Friday, I mentioned it in last Friday's video. If you watched last Friday, hit the like button. If you haven't, make sure you watch it after this video. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Okay, I did it. I ordered it. Look. Oh my gosh. Cheraye, calm down. I'm trying. You guys, I ordered this again. I went back on the MFK website. I was saving up for this, okay? I had been saving for months for this because I knew I wanted to get it, and I finally told myself, what excuse can you use to get it? I was like, oh my God, Valentine's Day. I love it. It's my favorite day outside of my birthday, and I said I could gift myself something, right? So that's what I did. I gifted myself. If you want to guess what it is, you guys already know probably. Look, of course. Let's take a moment for the packaging. I tried to turn down the lights, you guys. Okay, so that was another thing. So I'm back in here with these lights, which I could barely see because I had to turn the lights down because it was just so bright, and I'm showing you stuff. That's why I was trying to film in the other room, but it wasn't working. So anyhow, I got myself a nice gift card. They actually gave me a gift card. If you follow, not a gift card, they actually gave me a gift with purchase. If you follow me on Instagram, and if you're not, make sure you do. It's a great way for us to connect. I'm always over there talking to somebody in my DM, one of you. Anyhow, so they gifted me a gift with purchase, a beautiful candle. If I can find a picture, I'll put it up here so you guys can see. A beautiful candle, a nice card, and it was of the fragrance that I had reviewed a couple weeks back, the a la rose. That's a whole nother video. I already have it. I'll link it in at the end of this video. So anyways, you guys, I ordered 2 samples again. Same 2 samples. Why? Because we're going on vacation and I'm taking these with me. So this is Baccarat Rouge 540 and Baccarat Rouge Extrait 540. And the fragrance that I ordered is, are you ready? Ta-da! Let's open it up. Da, da, da. Ah, look at that. It's so gorgeous. gorgeous, and it's all red. Okay, I'm keeping this bottle. First red thing coming to the closet and to the collection. Anyhow, so this is it, you guys. Here I did order the Extrite version. I already have the original version, so this is the Extrite. Hopefully I'm saying that right. If I'm not, you guys, you know that I'm trying, right? I'm trying. See, it's the Extrite version, same Baccarat Rouge 540, you guys. It's beautiful. Look at the packaging, okay? I live for a good packaging. Nice here, everything like that. And the reason I wanted this one is because I just wanted it. Okay, so it comes like this, and then it slides out with this beautiful bottle here. Oh my gosh, that red is gorgeous. Of course it has a little keepsake in here, okay? A little card, just in case, it has this little card here. But this is how this looks. It's super duper gorgeous, and I love it. Comes out like this. Let's see, does it have the same chandelier as the other one? Does it have the same chandelier as the other one does? No chandelier inside. What? Oh, box looks like that. And then this is what it looks like. It is the Extrite version. This is a 70 ml, 2.4 fluid ounces. This is the Extrite Perfume. Extrite Perfume. Oh, let's spray it. Let's do the first spray together. Are you ready? I don't have enough to waste. Oh God, I'm mixing Perfumes, Damali, and the Extrite. Okay, but let's just try it. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh, it's so sweet. It's so sweet. Okay, yes. I do have a comparison video placed up on my channel of my first thoughts, my first impressions. Let me wear this and play with it a little bit. I'll be back and do a full in-depth review between the two of you. Oh my goodness. Just oh, you guys can't. So I need smell-o-vision. YouTube, can you please get us some smell-o-vision? It is so good. It's just softer right off the bat. Okay, give me a little bit of time to play with it, but I've had many samples of this, so I mean, pretty much, let's just go for it. Right off the bat, I don't have the notes with me though, so off memory, but I believe the only thing that was different in here was almond. I have so many different videos on it, you guys. I'll place one up that you can see the difference in the notes, but this is just softer. It goes to work right away. You know what I mean? Like Baccarat Rouge 540, the original, it gets on the skin. It kind of gives you that medicinal, what in the world is going on type attitude right upon me spraying that. Just with it fizzing throughout, back down through the air, you can just smell the sweetness. It's soft. It's pretty. It's just gorgeous. I don't know. I think I might wear this into spring. You know what I mean? I think I definitely would wear this. Let me just put, oh gosh, it's so good. I'm going to put some more on. Cheraye, you only have that small bottle. Can you please pace yourself? Oh. Oh, yes. Let me see if I can find the notes, you guys, because I could pull up Fragnetica right quick to just tell you this. I told you, I thought the only other note that would be in it would be almond. It is an amber, almond, woody, warm, spicy. I love a good warm, spicy, don't I? I do. I love a good warm, spicy, and it's sexy. Let's see. Top notes are bitter almond, saffron. Middle notes would be Egyptian jasmine, cedar. Base notes would be musk, woody notes, and then ambergris. So those are the notes that are in it, and it just smells simply amazing. I really love it. To me, it just goes to work right away on the body. It's not like the original where you smell it and you're like, what in the world? Where did you come from? And then all of a sudden it comes back around and it dries down, and then you fall in love with it, and then you start smelling uber good, and you just can't stop smelling yourself. Right upon me spraying that, I was able to go right into it right away, you guys. It's so good. Ooh, and it feels a little different. It seems a little bit more, it's a little bit more of an oil base to it. The original one doesn't give me this oiliness to it. This is not the oil, right? This is a perfume, but it has a little bit more oil to it. Perhaps that's why it went to work right away. You guys, I don't know. I'm not a perfume expert. I am a perfume lover, okay? Give me time to play with this and put it through some tests. It's already about 75, 80 here, so I'm probably gonna have to do a couple of wear tests during the first beginning of spring, just to see the difference between the two. But so far so good. There was a bottle that looked something like this. Not really. Go with me. If I can find a picture, I'll put it up. And it brought me back to that memory. Do you remember the bottle of fragrance? I don't believe it smelled anything like this. I'm sure it didn't. But it was called Lauren. And it had like a gold top. I could be making this up, but I think I'm telling the truth. I mean, I think I'm remembering it accurately. It was called Lauren. It had a gold top, and the bottle was somewhere in this color family, and it was kind of wide, and the top was at the top. Oh my God, it just brought back that memory just looking at the bottle. And that's why I love fragrance. It just invokes a memory, takes me back to a time and place. I have been you know, on this journey of MFK for the past year, I think, you know, just saving and collecting. It's left me broke countless times, okay? It left me with $2 in my pocket, but this is really good, you guys. I'm so happy to have this in my collection, and I'm so happy that all of you are here to open it up, take the first spray, the first whiff together with me, and I'm just super excited. I mean, fragrance makes me happy. Do in life what makes you happy. Life is short. If spraying fragrance makes you happy, spray it. And I always tell you, do not wait for a special occasion to spray your fragrance. Every single day that God allows you to wake up and you're blessed to see another day, if it's a Tuesday, a Monday, a Thursday, and you're like, I feel like spraying on Baccarat Rouge 540, spray it. I don't know, maybe you're gonna say, I feel like spraying Perfumes Damali. Spray it. That's what it's for. Enjoy it. You never know. I appreciate you guys taking the time to stop by my video, to watch, to leave your comments, to leave your likes. Please leave a like. If you haven't hit the like button, you guys, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Every time, let me take another 2.5. Girl, how much 2.5s? Okay, guys, just the last one. 2.5 seconds to let you know, every time you like the video, it helps YouTube say, hey, they're liking the video, so they'll share it with more people. Hopefully more people like the video, and then they'll hit the subscribe button. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please make sure that you do so if you enjoy the content here. Hopefully if you stay this long, you've enjoyed it. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please know that you are truly appreciated, and I'm so thankful to have these in my collection. That's what happened with the lights today, you guys. This video probably was a little bit, you know, but it's real. I had a whole setup in the other room, and it just didn't work out, and then the lights in here were just going kind of bananas, so that didn't work out. So thank you so much. This is what happens when you are a YouTuber. Oh my God. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.